In order to get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 hours of watch time within the past year and 1,000 subscribers in total. Now you might be thinking, this could take forever to get to this point. But I'm going to put this in simpler terms for you guys, as I want you guys to be getting your channels monetized and start making money through YouTube. Let me present you with something called the 30-day YouTube monetization challenge. And in this channel, we are going to hypothetically start a channel and we are going to upload videos and within 30 days, get monetized. So let's do some quick math, shall we? So each video that you upload is going to be about 12 minutes long, let's say. In these videos that you upload, you get about a 50% view time average. So that would be 6 minutes of view time per video. Now let's remember the fact that we need to get a total of 4,000 hours of watch time, which to convert that into minutes, that's 240,000 minutes. So if each of our videos that we are uploading that are 12 minutes long, if each of these videos are getting 6 minutes of watch time, then we would need a total of 40,000 views to reach 4,000 watch hours. Now this might sound overwhelming and you might be like, hey, that's a lot of watch time. Well, let's break it down into each video that you are posting. So if we connect this to each video that you are posting, you would need an average of around 1,300 views per video. Now, what we need to realize here is some videos will do better than other videos. So to keep in mind, this is just a rough estimate. So we can't ensure that each video you upload is going to get up to 1,000 views, but what's more likely to happen is to upload a few videos first, not getting a lot of views, but having a few videos doing really well. All right, so let's talk about subscribers. Now, I mentioned before you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on your YouTube channel. But how can we essentially hit this in only 30 days? So connecting this back to talking about views, if we get 40,000 views within 30 days, and let's just say only about 3% of these viewers subscribe to your channel, this would still get you a total of 1,200 subscribers, so passing the limit of 1,000. Now, getting monetized on YouTube is definitely possible for you guys. Now, if we're thinking realistically, it's probably going to take a little bit more than 30 days. However, I do know of people getting monetized on YouTube in only just a few months. So in this video, I really want to talk about the strategies on how to do this and how to get monetized. Doing my research, I've learned that the average YouTube channel with around 1,000 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers, these YouTube channels have around 150 videos on their channels. So in order to get to 150 videos on your own channel, you would need to be uploading 3 times per week. But again, this is just an average and a trend that I have noticed. And some channels really don't have a specific strategy behind them at all. But many YouTubers, when they start out, can make some mistakes, as that's just going to happen when anybody starts something new. So with YouTube, you simply learn by just making mistakes and fixing them. But I'm here to help you guys rule out some of these mistakes and avoid making them at all when starting your own channel. So I have come up with 5 secrets in order for you guys to get monetized on YouTube quickly. So let's get right into it. Now, the first secret I have for you guys is to upload on a consistent schedule. When you're first starting out, I would recommend to be posting at least once a week if you have this time. But if you have even more time, I would highly suggest posting at least 3 times a week. Or if you can do even more, I would suggest posting just once every day, as consistency is key within YouTube. Another tip for you guys is you could start recording videos and editing them without posting them first, and then you'll get kind of a backlog of videos. So while you're working on new videos, you can be posting these older videos that you already have made. So this could be a good tip if you are starting out and you want to be posting more frequently. You could stock up on videos essentially. I also want you guys to be realistic within the schedules that you are going to set for yourself. Only set a schedule that works around around your lifestyle and that you know will work for you. And also think long term. Am I going to be able to be posting every single day long term? If not, maybe cut down to 3 videos a week. And if not 3 videos a week, 1 video a week. The second secret I have for you guys is to upload at least 30 to 60 videos. Let's just think about this in obvious terms. If you don't upload anything on YouTube at all, your channel isn't going to get big, obviously. So I think it is great to give your channel a fair run. With most channels, it can take around 30 to 60 videos to really get one video doing good and then to start gaining subscribers. So this kind of ties into having a schedule as well. As I mentioned before, and I'm gonna always mention this, but consistency is your best friend and consistency is the key. So you want to set this consistent schedule to get up to your goal of having 30 videos. If you upload just 3 videos, let's say, you won't truly know if your YouTube channel is going to do well in the long run, as you're just posting 3 videos and then being like, hey, these 3 videos I made aren't getting a lot of views. Maybe I should just stop. Do not get discouraged, you guys. So with all that being said, it is just super important to post videos to know if your channel is going to do well, which it sounds silly, but you just really want to give your channel a fair go. The third secret that I have for you guys is to get monetized before getting monetized. Now, this might sound a little funny as you're like, well, how do you get monetized without actually getting monetized first? Well, did you know that you can actually get monetized before hitting that 4,000 hours of watch time and hitting that goal of 1,000 subscribers? Now, how exactly is this going to be possible? The first step here is you want to make sure that you're picking a good niche. Some very good niches would include those that pertain to health, wellness, relationships, and wealth, as well as happiness. And I am mentioning all of these niches because these are the niches that will get monetized sooner than other niches. And I'm going to tell you why this exactly happens. Now, this happens because there is a ton of demand for the products within these specific niches. So there are products within these niches that you can promote through Digistore24 in order to start making money on your channel sooner. And within these websites, such as Digistore24, you can even create your own courses or digital products to sell. And then you can put these affiliate links on your channel and make money this way. Now, my brother has a channel called Make Money Matt, and through his YouTube channels, he sells a course on Digistore24, and it is called Tube Mastery and Monetization. And by putting this link into his YouTube channel, he can make money as people will click on this link and they can buy this course. And you guys can even get his affiliate link and promote his course while also making money for yourself. So there's a win-win situation there, just mentioning that. A lot of people actually make way more money by doing simply this rather than making money from actual ad revenue. Now, the fourth secret I have for you guys is do not guess. This is a really big mistake within the YouTube community, which is simply just guessing. You don't want to guess on specific things that you think may help your channel grow, but you haven't heard of other people doing this and succeeding with these strategies. For an example, do not go into a niche that hasn't been proven to work on YouTube. This means simply just don't upload videos on topics that are not getting a lot of traction or views. Before starting your channel and choosing a specific niche, you're going to want to do some research under the niche that you are interested in. For an example, make sure there are at least some videos that have around 100,000 views or more within your specific niche before starting a channel and dedicating it to this niche or topic. So I always recommend to model what has already worked. You don't want to guess and be like, hey, this could be something that's going to work, but you're not sure. You want to know that your channel is going to do good for sure. And we can do this by what I said, modeling what has already worked. For an example, thumbnails that just have big text in the thumbnails. You see those videos getting a lot more views opposed to other videos that don't have any text in the thumbnails at all. You can model simple strategies such as this one. Now, of course, I always say do not copy people directly. You are just simply taking inspiration. And we call this modeling success. And you might be thinking, well, there's channels already out there that are doing good within this niche, so why would people want another channel doing the same thing? And to this, I would just say, make sure that your videos are just as good as the competition or even better, and you will be just fine. YouTube is such a huge platform. So for an example, if somebody watches this makeup artist on YouTube, nothing's gonna stop them from watching another makeup artist on YouTube. All right, now my fifth secret is to make sure that your videos can actually get monetized. Can you just imagine how angry and frustrated you would be if you got that 4,000 hours of watch time and the 1,000 subscribers and YouTube decided to not monetize you? That is because we want to make sure that your content is good enough to actually get this monetization. And I'm going to tell you 3 key things that I have learned that will help you guys get your channels monetized. The first thing I'm going to say is to make sure that your channel is family friendly. And what I mean by family friendly is specifically not showing anything violent in your videos or utilizing the use of curse words. If you are not following these policies, then YouTube can actually flag you and choose not to monetize you. So we want to make sure that we are just simply creating family-friendly content. And did you know that before your YouTube channel gets monetized, there are actually humans that watch your content and they review your channel to make sure that it's safe to monetize you. So let's make sure to just not be doing anything too crazy on YouTube, such as swearing or showing anything violent or gory. And this will ensure you that you start getting those paychecks. The second way to make sure that your videos can actually get monetized is to make sure that you are having human voiceovers. Say you're running a faceless YouTube channel and you need voiceovers for your videos. Some people can use robot text-to-speech voiceovers. And let me just say simply, do not do this. Now, there are some channels that have gotten monetized with a robot text-to-speech voiceover. However, a lot of channels will not. So I would just personally stray away from utilizing this tool. And there is some authenticity with using just a human voice. So your videos will usually do better if you have a human voicing over your videos. And then the third thing to keep in mind to actually get monetized on YouTube is do not re-upload other people's videos. For an example, you could use a TikTok compilation video, combine all these TikTok videos together and make it into one video. Now, you probably will not get monetized by doing this. You could get some views, however, it's probably not going to do good in the long run. If you are using other people's content within your videos, you need to learn how to do this the right way. And this is simply by following fair use. Say you are having a reaction channel where you react to different videos. Well, you want to put your input in this video. And this could be through the use of voiceovers and just simply making sure your content is transformative. All right, you guys. So here is simply your checklist that I've made for you guys throughout this video and some key points to take away. So some of these key points would include: don't give up early, as you want to give your channel time to fully flourish. In order to get monetized, you need to simply follow monetization rules. And you also want to make sure to keep a close eye on your analytics and simply analyze this data and keep it in mind. Because if you keep this data in mind, you can use this information to improve your next videos that you make. Now, you also want to make sure that your niche has worked on YouTube. You want to be making videos for viewers you know are present and you know will be listening and that you know there is a market for. You want to make sure to post at least 30 videos within your guys' channels, and you also want to model what has worked within your specific niche. For example, if you have seen makeup tutorials doing well and your specific niche is beauty, then maybe consider making some makeup tutorials. And you can always think about alternative monetization strategies, as I mentioned before, with creating courses through Digistore24 or ClickBank and putting those links in the descriptions of your YouTube channel videos. And remember, I said you can make actually more money through doing this rather than making money through YouTube itself. All right, you guys, you should be getting monetized in no time with these strategies that I've just provided for you. Now, if you want to learn how to potentially make money on YouTube without actually making videos, click on this free course right here as it'll go over 4 tips on exactly how to do this. See you guys there.